Good. Okay. Go ahead, guys. We're in the first game of Your Mama's House. Just kidding. We're in the first game of the winners finals against. Oh wait, let me fucking change this. Winners finals with Tkid and Pistol. Yeah. Fuck this up. Right, let me. Fuck. No. I just wanted to change it. I can't. We're good now. Okay. And. Ooh. Oh. Is he gonna recover? Oh, he did recover. Sorry about that. Ooh. The slam. Got the slam. Oh. Pistol got sent away from the stage. It's back on 2-2 stocks. Tkid looking really comfortable right now. Oh. Okay. So Pistol has the upper hand on Tkid. But anything could happen though. Ooh, it's back on 1-1 stocks. Who's gonna take this first game of the winners finals? Gotta say anything, Frank? No. He doesn't speak so much. He's a mute. Just kidding. Oh. The favorite word in this favorite action that's happening in this winners finals, it's called patience. A lot of these guys have patience. Oh, wait, you took the first one, right? Okay, Pistol took the first game. I fucking hate that guy, but he's all right. Ooh, did the same thing. Oh. Oh. Trying to punch him. Oh, he dodges. Oh, uppercut. Oh, setting up in the air. Oh, and he recovers. Oh, wait. Oh. Oh. Alright. Alright. It's pretty much even right now. It's game number 2. But tonight, you with me. Hey. Oh. Back on 3-3 stocks. Oh, Pistol doing some fancy moves. Ooh. Okay. Send it up there. Ooh. Ooh. Dang it. Tkid having the first. He's ahead by 1 stock. Ooh. Ooh. It's back on 2-2 stocks. Ooh. Oh, can you recover? Oh. Oh. It's too fast to explain, but they're kicking each other's asses. Oh. Pistol. Losing another stock. Back on 1-1. It's anybody's game for game 2. Let's give him a sec. Tkid takes game number 2. It's a 1-1 on the series. Pistol lost because he sucks. It's not really good at PM. Is it PM? It's PM, right? Yeah, it's PM. Sucks. Just kidding. Oh. Ooh. Tkid sends pistol flying away from the stage. I'm so tired. Hey Rick, the computer's running low. But oh. Charge the fucking computer. Commentary, because you guys are too shy to talk. Lyle Otter joined the fucking tournament. He's a loser. No one likes him. It's kidding. I love him. No, not really. I don't really like him. Just kidding. But Tkid has the upper hand on pistol. He's looking nervous. Knees weak, arms are heavy. Arms are hairy. Yeah, his arms are not really that hairy, but it's okay. Oh, sense of flying. Oh, Tkid looking really comfortable right now. Oh, pistol. Oh, sense of flying. Oh, okay. Oh, you couldn't end it there. Pistol Still trying to fight for his last stock. What he's gonna do right now. Oh. Oh, looks like it's over. No. It's not. Sorry. Oh, and it's over. Pistol losing again. Man, I don't know what's wrong with this guy. Game 3. If he wins this, he got it. You suck. You lose. You're out of the tournament. Okay, we're back. I accidentally unplugged the mic, but we're back again. Lyle's over there setting up. I don't know what he's doing. You see him in the camera. Skinny and frail. Fragile. Like glass. I'm kidding. I know he loves me. But back to the game. What are you doing here, Lyle?
Fuck you, Robin. You suck at playing Smash.
Cause I don't play Smash, dumbass. I play Call of Duty. What are you talking about? I don't see you making anything. Oh, my internet's too slow. Ooh. He blames on the internet, of course. He blames on everything. On his nothing. I don't know what I was gonna say, but he sucks. Just give me out the finger. Back on the game. Ooh. Pistol has one more stock. Oh, that was a good hit. Tkid still has one more stock than Pistol. Oh, Pistol's still trying to fight for his life. And Tkid wins it, and Pistol loses. Of course, we saw it from the beginning. And thank you.